Hello, my name is Dan Trousdale and I'm an Associate Professor at the University of Leeds. My research and scholarship are focused on visual and systems tools which support collaboration in the process of design for learning. As an academic, I know that collaborating on effective module designs can be difficult and time-consuming. Poor design can result in teaching that does not focus on desired learning outcomes. To address these challenges, a module design tool has been created to allow course designers to collaboratively diagnose constructive alignment. That's why I'm excited to introduce EdVee, which supports course designers to prototype initial designs and then quickly create subsequent iterations, improving the overall alignment and therefore effectiveness of their module design. By creating a visual focus, EdVee encourages collaboration through dialogue. This dialogue can help to include the ideas and views of multiple stakeholders, such as other module staff, pedagogical and assessment specialists, and also students. EdVee is underpinned by the concept of constructive alignment. Developed by Biggs and Tang and subsequently built upon by Trousdale and McKay, who added a systems-based approach in their paper EdVee, a visual diagnostic and course design tool. Let's look at the blank EdVee template. Across the top, there are spaces for text to explain the module aims, module level and type, cohort size, and also the intended graduate outcomes. These set the scene for the design intent of the module, referred to in a design context as design requirements. They are added here so that they can be quickly referred back to during the design process. Below this section are the 4 key areas, with learning outcomes, content, assessment, and learning activities. There's a 4-stage iterative process to using EdVee. First, the EdVee template is populated with course information. Then the links can be added, linking between learning outcomes, content, learning activities, and assessment. At this point, the first iteration is complete. EdVee visually displays the constructive alignment, revealing the pedagogical underpinning of the course design and acting as a focal point for discussion. If the course is fully aligned, each element should connect to form a figure of 8. For example, it would be a typical expectation that each learning outcome should connect to an assessment, each assessment should connect to content, and each topic should connect to a learning activity. And then each learning activity should connect back to the learning outcome. Open links may reveal weaknesses in design or non-alignment. For example, an assessment may not cover a particular learning outcome. Maybe group work isn't assessed, for example. Or maybe an assessment doesn't have an associated teaching content. You can also check if the high-level graduate outcomes are covered by the stated intended learning outcomes. Through the discussion and sharing of ideas, these open-ended connections can be resolved, forming a new design iteration, which is constructively aligned. This diagnostic process can be shared between the team on paper, on a large screen, or as a digital document online. The EdVee template becomes a live visual prototype, which can be quickly adapted, supporting a process of design iteration based on constructive alignment. This dialogue can create rich ideas to refine the overall design, align its framework with intended learning outcomes, and deliver a truly effective learning experience for your students.